Hey guys, Lawrence here. This is the last topic of yarn. Okay, it's called dominant resource fairness. It's also part of fair scheduler. The dominant resource fairness is kind of what is a problem-solving skill. Okay. As I said, it's not only applicable to this fair scheduler, it also can be applied to multiple places, to your life problems. Okay, so let's look at what it is. Dominant resource fairness. First, what problem it solves? The problem is here. When you have multiple applications submitted to your Hadoop cluster, the resource manager need to figure out, okay, how do I fairly distribute my computation resources to these applications? And some applications request a lot of memory, but not much of CPU time. The other application requests a lot of CPU time, but not a lot of memory. Then how many containers I give each of those applications? How to be fair in that way? So the problem really goes to when you have multiple types of resources, okay, to assign, and then which resources do I use to make a fair assignment? Okay. Read this the example given in the textbook. I think make a very good explanation about it. Dominant resource fairness, put a simple way, is that for the multiple types of resources, I calculate, okay, application's resource request to a percentage style. Okay, so if let's say I have two applications submitted to Hadoop. Okay, one requests 5% of memory and 2% of CPU. The other is 2% of memory but 3% of CPU. So the dominant amount for the first one is 5%. The dominant amount for the second percent is 3%. So I assigned resources to these two applications using this ratio, 5 to 3, and give maybe this one 5 containers and the other one should give 3 containers. That's how to be fair. Okay, that's a dominant resource fairness. In a sense, you try to find out what's your highest resource request among all types. Okay. So, like I said, this is a problem solving, can be applied to multiple places. I make a very simple example here. Here I have 2 types of resources: 8 slices of pizza, 8 cans of soda. Okay. So how do I fairly charge the person who are buying them? For example, if a Pizza Hut have a deal, you have to buy 8 slices pizza, 8 cans of soda together, pay $10. And I can collect 5 person together and put our money together to buy this good deal. Okay. And then how should everybody charge? Then based on how many pizza and soda they want to take, right? Someone may say, I want to take 1 slice pizza, 2 cans of soda. Someone want to 3 pizza and 1 soda. Okay. Using dominant resource fairness, you charge them based on first 2 types of resources, pizza and soda. If someone want a 3 pizza, 1 soda, then the pizza amount will be 3/8. The soda is 1/8. So 3/8 is a dominant resources request by this person. Then that person should contribute 3/8. The other person want to have 4 soda, only 1 pizza. Then the 4 pizza, the 4 soda will be the dominant resources because that's the 4/8, and pizza is 1/8. So that one should contribute 4/8. Okay, hope that helps you to understand. Again, like I said, this is a problem-solving thoughts and skill. Could be very useful when you have similar problem.